All right, so for your assignment today for weight, we have been working on weight. We said that the vocabulary words that we use whenever we compare someone's weight or something's weight, we compare using heavier or lighter, and we discussed how to use a balance, and I showed you how to make one out of a hanger and some string and cups. And then we went ahead and went on a scavenger hunt. So after you watch the short video about heavier and lighter that I linked below, you are going to come back and you're going to make a craft with it. And we would do this at school if we were at school right now. So you need a sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be white. Any paper will do. I normally would give you a cutout of a triangle and a cutout of a long skinny rectangle. And we would glue it down to the page to look like a balance. So for my paper, I would put, let me do it on the opposite side so that you can see. So I'm going to put my balance here. And then I have to make one side go up and down, right? Because we know that that's how the balance works. So I'm gonna put one side up. It does not matter what side, you just have to make sure that you draw your picture on the correct side. So I'm going to put mine like this. All right, so then I would come up with an example of something that is heavier. We know the heavier thing would be down lower, and whatever is lighter would be up higher. And then I would draw those two things. So I'm going to turn my paper around and I'm going to give you my example. Where's my crayons? Here, there. Okay, so I am going to write my sentence after I draw my pictures. So I am going to compare myself to a house. So a house, would a house be lighter or heavier than Miss Geyer? If I had a house and Miss Geyer, which one would be heavier? The house, right? So I know that the one that's lower, let me turn this around so you can see it. I know the one that's down below means that that's the one that the heavier the house should be on. And you don't have to draw a house. You could draw whatever it is that you want to compare. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. And I draw my house and I just give it a triangle roof and a square bottom. And I like to give it a door and a window and a cute little chimney. I can go back and add some more details later. And then on the opposite side, I'm going to draw what? What was I comparing it to? Myself. So I would draw a picture of myself. And I'm going to give myself a head and a neck, some ears, some, I guess I have brownish yellow hair. So give myself some hair, add some yellow. And then I'm going to wear how about it's a dress? Yeah. If I go back and color it in, and then don't forget to add my face and my arms and my legs. And a mouth and some eyeballs. So I am comparing a house to a Miss Geyer. So I would say that Miss Geyer is lighter than the house and the house is heavier than Miss Geyer. So up on top, I'm going to write my sentence and I'm going to compare the two. I'm going to say, I'm going to write this in marker just so that you can see. I can't write upside down. Sorry, guys. A house is heavier than me. And I'm going to put an exclamation point because I'm shouting it. And notice that I started with a capital letter. I have punctuation. I have my finger spaces between each word. And then I have punctuation. So I put a house is heavier than me. So if you want to compare it to yourself, find something that's heavier or lighter than you, and you can put them on your balance. And this is it. That's all that your assignment is for today. I hope that you guys have an amazing Friday and a fabulous weekend. Make sure you guys get outside to play and see the sunshine. Bye.